So today I was riding my scooter. I have like a Xiaomi scooter and I got this error 14. So when we turn it on, we have this error 14. You can see one long beep and then 1, 2, 3, 4 small beeps. So this seems to be related to a problem in the throttle here. So the throttle is either not working well, the magnets here inside, or the connector. So I bought from AliExpress a new connector, and I'm gonna install it. Okay. So now we need to pry up this cover here, the screen. I have this tool to help me. So it's made of plastic, it will not damage it. So I'll just try to put this here. Try to raise this. This is all stuck with glue. And so it's getting loose. Okay, hope the camera is focusing well. Here's a bit more difficult here. This is the first time I remove this part. Okay, almost. Okay, done. Okay, it has some glue attached here and all around. So I'll put this aside. Now screws over here, so over here, and 1, 2 here, 1 here, and 1 here. But first I'm gonna remove the throttle. So to remove the throttle, I'll need to remove first this handle here. I'll remove the handle. It's a bit stuck. Okay, it's coming out. So this is the first time I'm doing this. So it should be a bit more stuck. Okay. So this is the handle. Close here. And let's unscrew. So here. So I'm going to remove this. Second screw. Let's screw. Then. Okay, so now I remove the screws and I will expose the wires. So the throttle is connected in this rubber sack or bag. So I will just cut the whoa. I cut it. Now I'll expose now. Now I can see the cable. So it should be one of these connectors. So the next step now is to remove the throttle here and then see. So the throttle has a 3mm hex screw that I will remove now. Okay. So it's coming out. It's sliding. And when I move, we'll pull it. So I think it's this blue one here. No, it's the green. This green and red. Yeah, it's the green and red. So I'm gonna release it. Okay, so it's loose now. It's loose. Now it will just come out. There's some rubber behind them. So behind here, the bar, there's this rubber band that we pull. So we pull it, and everything will come with it. Okay, so basically, so now I turn the view angle so you can see better. Gonna put the cable now inside. It has to slide here. It will slide. I'm gonna release here so it can fit better. Okay, I'll just put this inside. Okay, I managed to make it pass through. Okay, cable. Cable there. Okay, this just needs to go inside. Don't know if you can see. Just turn here the screen. So I just need to. That's pretty more. Yeah. Okay. See, I don't know if you can see it. Tuck, tuck. Looks neat, huh? So, okay, so now I'm gonna tight here the screw of the throttle because everything is already in place. Tight. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the throttle, I don't know how to call this. Let's put this in place. Okay, and to plug plug this, need to check the correct position. Okay, and now should be putting the screws on and see how it goes. Now we're gonna just put the screws. Okay. Now with the screws on, I'll just put the cover back on. So still has some glue. I don't think it needs extra glue. Just put it on, and we can test if it worked. Okay, see, no error 14 was a quick fix. These throttles are about $3 at AliExpress, or you can buy it for $10, $12 at Amazon. And it's a nice DIY job to do.